Good evening, everyone. Orin has taken control over Huron's pack, which was our last hope for outnumbering the greater pack. We must seek out the lone wolf. Rory, you're such a funny wolf. Now get up, you big brute. We've got things to see and wolves to do. Wait, that came out wrong. It is with a heavy heart that I announce that Pebble has disappeared. He's been missing for 3 days. No sign of him from other packs. Everyone here is so intrigued by your story, Aaron. Please, do go on. Faye, I never liked you that much, but right now I really don't like you. Please get out of here before I bite off your tail. Hello, Rory. How are you today? Looking for a beta female? I'm all beta right here. Good morning, everyone.